Welcome to my YouTube channel, Miss IZAY ACCOUNTEACH TV. Like, follow, and subscribe. And click the notification bell for more updates. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today, my vlog is about how to be involved in GFOREST. So first step, we're gonna click or the application GCash, that one. And then let's look for GFOREST na itong blue leaf na sign. Yan. Nandun tayo sa GFOREST and welcome. So nakakita naman dito may energies on 2,617 green energy points pa lang. Because nakaplant na ako dito ng nag-avail pala ako dito ng ng sabong galon, coconut, bakhaw lalaki yan. Yung sa coconut ko, sok sargent yan. Pero, meron pa, dapat makompleto ko muna yung 13,941, 14,016, and 17. Yan lang naman. So, yan na guys. Yan pa lang yung energy. So, ito yung energy points history ko. Balik tayo dito. So, as of now, yung updated na population na sumali sa GFOREST is about 10,662,144. So, those are the number of people who joined the GFOREST. So, what is GFOREST or how does it work? Every tree you plant here will plant one tree on your behalf in one of our partner eco parks. So they are in partnership with eco parks. How does it work? So first it's time to go green. We need to switch to go green activities to reduce waste and carbon consumption that harm the environment. So here's how. First, you're gonna connect your health application to convert your daily steps and activities to green energy. So, we're gonna tap her to allow permission. Tap ko muna here. Tagal guys. Ayun. So, connect your health converters and activities to go green. So, tinap ko na yun. And refuse single-use plastic in selected green merchants and earn more energy. So, just take a look na lang sa list of partners na involved. So, yun na yun guys. Wait, balik muna tayo here.
And then, reduce your carbon footprint by going cashless with GCash. So, since we are now living in a modern world or contemporary world, so, diba, as you can see or as you will notice, mostly is cashless na lahat ng, mostly na mga transaction is cashless na. So, one of the best application na ginagamit o mostly na ginagamit kan is ang GCash. So through this, we can have a cashless transaction. So the transaction that involves through this GCash cashless application are the following. First is the bank transfer. So by making transaction or by transferring a fund in your bank account, you can earn up to 131 Hindi pala siya grams. Ano ba yun? Sorry guys. It's not grams. 131 green energy points. Energy points yan guys. Tapos, cash in online, earn up to 56 green energy. Tapos, by paying your bills, you can earn up to 253 energy points. Then, since we are used naman na to buy load every day, not every day because diba we sometimes go to or take the chance to have a load promo, so it takes 3 days or a week or a month. It depends on us, diba, as long as you have your enough budget. So by buying load, you can earn up to 106 green energy points. Then through express send also, you can earn up to 131 green energy points. And by saving money, you can earn up to 131 green energy points. So minimum 100 pesos per transaction. So here, yung kinakount lang is up to 100 pesos lang per transaction. Below 100 is not counted. Dapat minimum talaga 100 and above. Number 2, collect green energy. So by collecting green energy, by doing the transaction above or the transaction that I have mentioned before, like the bank transfer, cash in online, pay bills, buy load, express send, save money, by doing that, you can earn energy points from that green activities and can do cashless actions. So drop by a day after transaction to collect them. So every time na you perform those activities or those transactions, you're gonna earn energy points. So then that energy points, you're gonna collect that one, and once you collected that one, you can now have the chance to pick your tree or choose your tree that you're going to plant. So once you've earned enough energy points, you can choose a native tree to adopt. I have mentioned it earlier that you can choose your tree like yakal, coconut, and whatsoever. And then after adopting a tree, you can be a green hero. So once you completed the exact green points that is required for that specific tree, then you can be a green hero. For example, 17,000 plus. So you're gonna complete that one, that 17,000 energy points. You need to collect 17,000 energy points. You're gonna meet that one before you're gonna be a green hero. So we are one step closer to rebuilding our forest thanks to you. Trees change lives.
So, diba guys, this is true that trees change lives because tree is life. Without tree, we can be nothing. We can't live without tree because there would be no air without trees, diba? How can we breathe without oxygen? So, we gonna plant trees in order to have more oxygen. So yan na guys, by beyond planting trees, so aside from planting trees, beyond that, we can also help our communities. So this GFOREST is in partnership with Biofin. Then it is also in partnership with Hope, Business for Good, and Century Pacific Food Incorporation. So let's gonna read this also, this learn more button. kung ano yung nakalagay dito. Oh my gosh, guys! Nakakatakot. It's so scary, guys, as you can see here. 52,000 trees lost every day in the Philippines. Imagine that. Nakakatakot talaga, kaya mabahala na tayo because, diba, nakita naman natin or napapanood naman natin sa TV that there is na meron ng greater or a colossal climate change in our environment right now. Diba, maraming mga nangyayari na nakakatakot na mga dilubyo, like pag may marami yung pagbaha, pagguho, mga ganyan ng mga lupa. Why? Because we don't have enough trees to prevent the soil erosion. So, oh my gosh, guys, nakakabahala talaga. Imagine 52,000 bawat araw yung nawawalang trees. Bakit nawawala yung mga trees na yan? Yes, it's because kailangan din natin yan sa ating daily lives. Diba, anong ginagamit natin ng mga papel and everything na mga pinagpukunan pa ng ng mga yung ginagawa ng mga bahay, diba? Gawa din naman yan sa yung mga logs, kaya marami din yung nawawala every day na trees, 52,000. So, ano yung pinaka-basic challenge sa atin ngayon? So, the basic challenge for us is to plant trees more than dapat magkaroon ng more numbers of trees that are being planted than trees that are being lost every day. So that should be the ratio. Dapat whole is to half. For example, kung 52,000 yung nawawala every day, so dapat more than 52,000 or let's say 100,000 plus dapat yung tinatanim every day. So, with GFOREST, guys, ay makakatulong tayo upang makapagtanim by the help of the eco park. And with that, makakatulong tayo sa ating Mother Earth and to prevent the global warming effect. Diba, so you can see, guys, malaki na talaga yung pagbabago ngayon, yung sa climate change na nangyayari sa ating bansa. Not only in the Philippines, but in the other countries. Diba, nagkakaroon din sila dun ng mga rainfall na nila dun. Pero, we are gladly or fortunate enough that we're not experiencing that. We only experiencing floods like that, mga pagguho and everything. Pero hopefully sana this year wala nang mga mangyayaring masasama, dahil with this GFOREST we can help plant more trees and to have a green environment, a green healthy environment. So ano pang hinihintay nyo, guys? Click the link on the comment section or on the description box and then download the GCash application, then be part of the GFOREST and be a green hero. So take part in restoring our forest, be a part of the solution by reducing your carbon footprint. GCash Forest is a new feature that gives you the power to plant and grow real trees all through the GCash application. So that would be all, guys. Thank you for watching a vlog about GFOREST, and I hope that you're gonna learn from my tutorial tonight. And that would be all. Thank you, and once again, good day and a green environment for every one of us.
Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.